Hey, welcome to the show. Here is the GearLight S400 Pro. It is a rechargeable bike light. I put this on my son's bike and he is loving it. Let's take a look to see what you're going to get in the box. This light right here you will put on the front of your bike. It's very easy to install. I love the latch right here. It's so nice. You wrap that around the bar and then you lock it in place. It's nice and flexible. And this is the light right here. It has different modes. All you have to do is click right here and you can see you have a very bright white light. This one's a little bit softer here. And then you have a blinky light with the center light going on there. So you have a lot of different options. This part right here you would take out and then you can charge that up very easily. But like I said, it's very easy to take off your bar of your bike there. Here is the back of the light. Again, it has different modes. Got your solid red light, blinking. A lot of cool different options. And then right here is where you would put your charger in. And it does include cables for you to charge that into your USB port. So very cool. As you can see with my son, he set that up on his bike and you can see this light very clearly from far away. He likes to put this light on the front during the evening so that he can see where he's going, if it gets dark, and it really lights up a big area. This is made of a really high quality metal. You can hear that. Very solidly built. With this button right here, I like it. When you have the power going on, it has a kind of a green illumination. This part right here is plastic, but again, you got that very nice strap that goes around the back end and locks in place. So when you're ready to charge this, you can even take the clip right here. You see this part right here? You can slip that out, and then you can take this into your house if you want to, charge it up, and then slip this back into place so you don't have to take the strap off at all. So with these, it has fast and easy installation. This is compatible with most bikes. It's lightweight and weather resistant. The headlight has 5 modes and strobing side lights. The tail light has 4 modes. And again, this is USB rechargeable. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, which is really nice. Hey, if you're looking for a rechargeable bike light that's strong, dependable, weather resistant, and lasts a long time, check out the GearLight S400 Pro. I think you're going to be happy with it. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show, and we'll talk to you later. Adios.